Good morning, Year 4. Your decimal work is continuing with number lines today, counting in tenths. So, quick recap for our anchor then. Match the written numbers to the place value chart. And then you also have these sentences here. Can you fill in the gaps? So pause the video and have a go at both of these tasks now. Okay, so matching up then, 1/10 is 0.1, 21 tenths is 2.1, 12 tenths is 1.2, and 10 tenths is 1.0. And our sentences, 3 ones and 1/10 is equal to 3.1, 5 ones and 4 tenths is 5.4, 4 ones and 11 tenths, so you would exchange 10 of your tenths to make another 1, so it would be 5.1. 3 ones and 12 tenths, you would exchange again, so you'd exchange 10 tenths for 1 whole, so you'd have 4 wholes and 2 tenths. 7.9 is equal to 7 tenths, 7 ones and 9 tenths. 4.1 is equal to 4 ones and 1/10. 3.6 is equal to 3 ones and 6 tenths, and 8.3 is equal to 8 ones and 3 tenths. So well done if you got those correct. So having a look at number lines again then, a quick recap at the top here, we have a number line, 0 at this end and 1 at this end, and we have 10 intervals, so our whole number line is with 1 with 10 intervals. So what are we counting in? We are counting in tenths, so we'd have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, and continuing all the way to 1 whole. Okay, and then how would we show these fractions as decimals? So pause the video, have a little look. Okay then, 3/10 is 0.3, 9/10 0.9, 7/10 0.7, 4/10 0.4, and 1/10 is 0.1. Well done. So, remembering what we learnt yesterday, filling in the decimals on the number line, working out what the whole number line is worth. So 1 is our benchmark here and 2 here. So our whole number line is worth 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal parts. So we are counting up in tenths. So 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Okay, and continuing all the way to 2. Our second question then, we have 10 in the middle and we are counting up in tenths still. So we know if we're counting up in tenths that 1/10 more than 10 is 10.1. Okay, we could easily count forward in tenths, but can we count backwards in tenths? So what is 1/10 less than 10? It would be 9.9. So well done if you got that correct. Continuing backwards will be 9.8, 9.7, 9.6, and 9.5. And finally here we have 2 intervals together, but we're not counting in 1/10 anymore, we're counting in 2/10. So if each interval is with 2/10 or 0.2, then what's our next number going to be in the pattern? Okay, we would have 9.9. What's 0.2 more than 9.9? It would be 10.1. Well done if you got that correct. 10.3. Counting on 0.2 each time, 2/10 each time, all the way to the end. And remembering that to work out the numbers to the left, we would have to take away because the number is descending this way. So ascending to the right, getting bigger, descending to the left, getting smaller. So 0.2 take 9.5 take away 0.2 would be 9.3. 9.3 take away 0.2 would be 9.1. Well done if you got those correct. So in your work today, some of your questions are going to be asking how long is the line. So you'd still have to use your knowledge of number lines, work out what each interval is worth, and then find the size of the line. So for example, I know this is going up in tenths. Okay, so I've worked out the numbers I need to know because my line stops here. So I know that my line is 0.3 because it starts at 0 and it stops at 0.3. So this line is 0.3 centimeters long. Now these are a little bit tricky because they don't start at 0. So you can have a little go at those ones now independently. Okay, so this second one ends at 0.7 and starts at 0.3. So your length of your line would be 0.4 centimeters long. And this one here ends at 1 centimeter and starts at 0.6 centimeters. So this line is also 0.4 centimeters long. Well done if you got those correct. So for bronze today, you are working on the questions of the PDF on the website. Once you have completed those, you have a learning by questions to be getting on with, and the code will be on the website. So I'll put that up on Thursday morning. So it's not here on the flip chart or on the video, it will be on the website. So please keep an eye out for it.